Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, how are you today? Today, inshallah, we will discuss rule of mad. The word mad in linguistic definition means elongation. Letters of mad are 3 letters. Like here, alif, alif, ya, waw. We pronounce them like a, e, u. How we can notice these letters in the word? When we see alif or ya or waw without any tashkil, tashkil means fatha, dhamma, kasra. So these letters will be letters of mad. We have to stretch our voice for 2 counts. We have 2 kinds of mad caused by hamza. The first one, al-mad al-muttasil. Al-mad al-muttasil means the connected mad. When hamza follows a mad letter in the same word, so we have to stretch our voice for 4 counts. For example, like here, Surah Al-Tariq, verse number 1. We can see the word as-sama. So we have hamza and before it alif, letter of mad. So here we have connected mad or mad muttasil. So we have here to stretch our voice for 4 counts when we read the word as-sama, like this. As-sama. So when we read verse number 1, we can read it like this. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والسماء والطارق. Also, we have another connected mad in this surah in verse number 6 here. خلق من ماء دافق. So we have the word ma, we have hamza, before it alif, the letter of mad. So we have to stretch our voice for 4 counts like this. Ma. So when we read this verse, we can read it like this. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. خلق من ماء دافق. The second kind of mad, al-mad al-munfasil, means the separated mad. When the mad letter is the last letter of the word and the hamza in the first letter of the next word, we can stretch it 2 counts or 4 counts. For example, in the same surah also, Surah Al-Tariq, verse number 2. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ. So we have in the word أَدْرَاكَ Hamza in the beginning. And before it, in another word, Alif. Alif mad. So here we have separated mad or mad muttasil. So here we can read this mad or stretch our voice 2 counts or 4 counts like this. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ or وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ. So when we read this verse, we can read it like this. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الطَّارِقُ or وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الطَّارِقُ. So we can stretch our voice for 2 counts or for 4 counts. This is the separated mad or al-mad al-munfasil. So we will stop here today. See you later and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.